Hey everyone, so in this video we are making crushers. So to make crusher, take a glass and add in ice cubes. After adding the ice cubes, take a bottle of Sprite and add in it. After adding this Sprite, I will add in some mint. After adding the mint, we will add some lemon juice. I'm taking fresh lemon juice. A little bit more. I will mix. Now the last step is to add some food coloring. Here I am using blue food coloring. And now our crusher is ready. Just mix it a little more. And give it some presentation. Wait. Like this. And our crusher is ready.